Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, November 14th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Google's DeepMind. That is, of course, their artificial intelligence machine that they're working on and doing a lot of things to try to make it better. Now, what they are doing is that the health side of Google DeepMind will be working for the newly formed Google Health Division. They want to change the world, help people live better, and maybe cure disease. And, there's a lot of promise with AI and the health side of things. Maybe this will change our lives forever. Who knows? Well, a interesting thing happened yesterday. The Google G Suite account on Twitter, which is one of the biggest accounts that Twitter has, was hacked into. And of course, a tweet promoting Bitcoin scams has been posted. Of course, now it's been removed and things have been working right. But it makes you kind of, think about it a little bit, saying, wow, if G Suite account gets hacked, maybe somebody somewhere is not always careful with its security practices. Windows 10, of course, lots of talk about it since the return of the October 2018 update yesterday. Well, Microsoft is now promising to be more open and transparent with its Windows division and have better communications with everybody, as a lot of people were saying that the fact that Microsoft just kept quiet on what was happening was really a big problem. So this is, of course, going to be quite interesting. They also have mentioned that they want to make sure that things are of better quality in the next releases, basically, and that the high quality standard, they want to make sure that this is going to happen. Patch Tuesday was upon us yesterday, come and gone. Many security updates were of critical scale. That means that bad guys probably already exploited some of these problems. Well, the October 2018 update was also released yesterday, and if you already had it, you also had a Patch Tuesday update. So lots of things happening, and make sure that you update your PC with this. Windows 7 had the worst security flaw in all of the patch update yesterday. A security flaw that was discovered by Kaspersky Labs, and it was already exploited by bad guys, according to them. And it was one of the easiest ways to actually infiltrate and get full control of Windows 7 PCs. Of course, that was fixed yesterday. That means if you're on Windows 7, hurry up and fix your operating system. More and more discoveries with the Spectre and Meltdown flaw. That was, of course, the big news at the start of this year. Researchers are finding some new flaws, 7 new flaws that need to be mitigated, both on AMD and Intel CPUs. So there's going to be some need for digital, more of additional mitigation, and it changes all the time and needs more and more protection to make sure it's not exploited in the wild. So basically, they're discovering new stuff all the time with this. More and more call centers are using AI to make the experience better. Basically, we all went through these bad AI at the beginning, where you don't really know where you're going. It doesn't necessarily always understand what you want to tell it, but this is changing, and it already shows in many call centers where AI is now being used to help you rather than to annoy you. And of course, let's hope that some of these get through the AI that still exists that are really bad out there. HGST, well, that will be a name of the past apparently. Western Digital has acquired HGST brand of hard drives a few years ago, and of course they were known to be some of the best in hard drive quality, basically. Well, it seems that Western Digital has now decided that this brand is over, so hurry up, because HGST hard drives are a thing of the past. And this was the Tech News for Wednesday, November 14th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.